Hello guys, in this video I will talk about how to install and configure Mikrotik in Hyper-V Manager. So I opened my Hyper-V Manager. Then you have to go to the, before starting you need to go to the virtual switch manager to ensure you have created in virtual switch and X virtual switch. I already created these two, so I don't need to create another one. So okay, then I will go to the new option and virtual machine, then this option, then I will change this name to Mikrotik, then I'll click next. Mikrotik 3, next, generation 1, and it will need only 512 RAM, then next. So I am choosing here X connected switch. Next, then next. Oh sorry, this is before you need to ensure the size. I will choose 10 GB. You can reduce. So now I'll finish it. So after finishing I need to install Mikrotik in this virtual machine, Mikrotik virtual machine. Before that I need to add the in virtual switch which I created before. Now I need to attach the ISO file, the file I located somewhere. I'm searching for it. The file must be somewhere. I got that. Now I'll just apply and okay. Then I need to connect, or you can say install. I need to press here I for install, Y for yes. You can see it's already started the installation process. It takes some time doing it, so I will have to press enter to reboot. It's rebooting, so it's already done. Now I have to go again the setting and the DVD 5 option and choose none. Apply. Okay. In Hyper-V it takes some time. It's applying. Then okay. Then again I will connect it. I have to turn off, then connect. Start option, click on start again. So it will load. You can see Mikrotik login. By default it username is admin, then password is null, so you have to enter twice, then no, and have to create new password. You can choose any password. I have given mine. I'm giving mine, sorry. So I have to type it again. So it's already created a user and password. So I am now checking my MAC address by interface / print option. So you can see these two, ether1 and ether2, my MAC address from here. Now I will go at Winbox. From there I will connect to my address, then I will configure the rest of the things. Windows 6 bit slow. So you can see here is two MAC addresses showing, 20 and 21. Sometimes you will see a full list, but here only two showing. So I need to put that password which I used in admin and create a new password. So you can see it's already logged in. So I need to go to IP address, DHCP client. I need to first create a client on ether1. Then I have to go to the IP address to create for my internal switch network, which is this. So this is the address. You can see I have to apply to. You have to choose ether2 for your internal, then OK. Then IP server, DHCP server, then DHCP setup, ether2, next. You can see setup is successful, so close it. So then I have to do net, so I have to go to the firewall option, just click on it, then net, you can see plus, you have to give the source net address, that is 192.168.10.0/24, and then you have to go to the, sorry, I have forgotten that I have to change the action option. You should choose the massacre, then apply. Now go on to the Hyper-V Manager and then open Windows 10 virtual machine. It will take some time. Close it. I don't need to configure my display. You can see already my network is configured. I need to just check. So now I will click on yes. Then I will click on Microsoft Edge. Then I will go to the YouTube. You can see now it is already browsing, so my work is done. This is the way you can install and configure Mikrotik in Hyper-V in Windows 10. Thanks for watching and stay happy.